Now that you've made your profile, you'll need to upload some art. In the top right-hand corner, you'll see a button, Upload Art. Once you've clicked on this, it will take you to a new page. The first thing you'll need to do is click the disclaimer. By doing this, you agree to all our terms and conditions. The next step is filling out the artwork title. Once you've done this, you'll be able to upload your photos. The first photo should be your full-sized artwork, cropped to the edges. In the spaces below, you have the opportunity to add more detailed shots of the artwork. If it's got heavy brush strokes or lots of texture, you'll want to include these. Underneath this, you'll have the option to enter a YouTube link. This can be a video of the artwork. The next step is the artwork details. Here, you want to make sure that you fill in each section. In the artwork description, you want to make sure that you note any important details, like, is the artwork framed? Does framing cost extra? Are the sides painted? How is it hung? And what's the inspiration behind the piece? The next box is keywords that describe your artwork. So, for example, here you might add blue, white, thumb. Make sure you separate them by a comma and a space so they become a hyperlink. Underneath this is your medium. Please select one option. In the medium description, you want to say something like oil on canvas. Please be descriptive as possible. Underneath in the collection section, you're allowed to select up to 2 options. So for example, I might select abstract and pop. After that is the artwork size. Please make sure you fill in these details correctly. There has to be a minimum value for 1. This is also inclusive for weight. Next is the shipping. Please let us know if you'll be shipping the artwork in a box or a rolled tube, and if the artwork will be ready to hang. This will show up on the artwork image. Underneath this is the availability for the artwork. If it's ready to be sold straight away, please select available. If it's still drying, maybe give it a few days. In the artwork price section, we've broken everything down so it's easy to understand. Now all you have to do is click Publish Artwork and you're online.